Hi everyone, welcome to a very, I was gonna say a spooky episode, but it's not really spooky, and it's not an episode. But it's October, which is spooky season, and we are drinking the Chouchen. It has been over a year, actually, since I bottled it. It is time. This is Louis, my fiance. You may have seen him in a video once when he was skateboarding. Louis doesn't really drink a whole lot, but he does enjoy drinking some mead, and the Chouchen was the first mead that he had where he was like, wow, actually this is a good mead. So I thought it would be very nice to have him with me today to try it. I'm so excited. I think it's just trapped CO2.
Can I smell?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
I'm so excited. So this is over 16%. Ooh. Yeah, it's a lot.
Mmm.
So what do you smell?
It reminds me of like a liquor drink, but I don't know anything about alcohol. Oh, this is the one I tried already. And
Yeah.
now it's
Well, you tried it a
6
long
months
time ago.
later. Mmm.
Wow.
Yeah. It's really good.
Oh my god. The apple. It kind of lingers at the end.
The apple?
Well, all of it, just the flavor. I think it's the buckwheat.
Yeah, I like the sweet stuff, and this is pretty sweet. I mean, it's not like crazy sweet, I don't think.
Mm-mm.
But it's like just probably past the point of being like a dry, non-sweet mead. It's just past that to being like a sweet treat.
Mm-hmm.
Halloween treat.
It's a Halloween treat.
Ooh.
So this was the recipe that the Druids brought into the Brittany, France kind of area. And it was known to be obviously very strong. Supposed to kick you on your butt. And I felt like originally when I had drunk some of this, and maybe it's just the malic acid, like the apples were a little high, or I felt like it was maybe not quite as sweet as I wanted it to be, but now that it's developed longer, you're right, it is like semi-sweet. I feel like the buckwheat, like I taste kind of a vanilla-like flavor in it.
Yeah, a little bit of that. It does taste like it's high in alcohol content.
It does.
To me, I don't drink anything hardly ever. When I do drink, I'll take a shot of something. Or like a small mixed drink.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like with some drinks, depending on how you make it, like the peach pie, that one you can't taste how much alcohol's in there. Like it's hidden a lot better than this one, but that's also hidden under a lot of like fruit.
This tastes alcoholic for sure, but it's sweet too. So yeah, I guess
it's smooth though too.
I guess I get the apple.
The apple's right at the start.
Yeah.
I feel like it's that tart like zing, and then it goes down and like smooths out.
That's a high quality drink.
Thank you.
Wow.
Wow, that's good.
It's almost like you're getting better at this.
Oh my goodness. Well, this one's old.
That's
This one's old, but it aged very well. At this point, all of the meads that I have, I only have like one. Like this is the last one.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's all you have right there?
That's all I got.
Oh, that's the only one you saved. Whoopsie.
I know. Well, I give them all away. Drink them. I don't save. Well, it's difficult when you only have a gallon, but I did make 5 gallons.
So are you going to make another Chouchen?
I already did. It's bottled. Bring it.
I like it.
I like it too. I'm very happy with it. I don't get the barnyard. Like
No.
a lot of people have like a barnyardness about buckwheat, and so they're like, whoa. But this doesn't.
No, it doesn't taste farmy to me. It tastes like something we'd get at one of our favorite meaderies. Very good.
Thank you.
Is this what you'd call clean?
Clean?
Or what's it called when it's like clear and not a lot of sediment or whatever?
Yeah, I don't know. I guess clear.
Clear?
Well, I definitely had sediment at the bottom, but it was
Whoa, chill. You don't need that much.
But I want a little more.
You can have some of mine.
It's nice. I guess I'll save it. Here, now I look extra witchy. Do I look extra?
Yeah, you got it.
Cover my face.
Yeah, and then take a sip. Golly.
Well, I think that's about it. That's all we got to say about it.
I don't know what else to say.
It's tart, but smooth. Doesn't taste like a barnyard. It's good.
Is it tart? I don't think it's that tart.
At the beginning, you get a little speak.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But then it smooths out, and you almost get like a caramel vanilla note at the end, I think.
Definitely caramel.
Mm-hmm. So
and it's got a very middle, well, I don't know a lot, but it seems like it has a very middle of the road kind of viscosity, right?
Yeah.
It's like not super thick, not thin. It's right in the middle.
It's got a nice body. Considering this is literally apple juice, I did put apple slices in it.
What's a body?
A body?
What is a body?
With wine?
Yeah.
It feels good. Oh.
In your body?
I got a hair in my eyeball.
Is body when it feels good in your body?
Baby, my golly! It, like, covers all the bases on your tongue. And it, like, has a nice, full feeling to it.
All the bases? So you could say this one's a home run.
It's a home run.
Cheers.
Home run.
That's that?
That's that.
Cool.
Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate y'all. And have a fun, spooky time. October, spooky.
Yee.
Thank you. Bye.